Have you ever bought a top sirloin steak and wondered how restaurants make it so juicy? The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment or expensive ingredients. Today, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to cook a perfectly juicy top sirloin steak right at home. Let's get started. First, take your steak out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. Pat both sides dry with a paper towel. Then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. That's really all you need. A great steak doesn't need a lot of seasoning. Now heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Add a little avocado oil. Once the oil starts to shimmer, place the steak in the pan. Don't move it. Let it develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. Then flip it over. Add a tablespoon of butter, a few cloves of garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary if you have it. As the butter melts, tilt the pan slightly and spoon the butter over the steak for another 3 to 4 minutes. For a perfect medium rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of about 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's done, don't cut into it right away. Let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the juices time to redistribute. Now slice it against the grain, and look at that. Juicy, tender, perfectly cooked. Simple ingredients, simple technique, restaurant quality results. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy cooking videos, and let me know in the comments. How do you like your steak cooked? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.